Good afternoon, friends. Last period we discussed about the tenses. Uh, this is Kiran sir from Vasalbhai Vanmadi School of Scholars. Last period we discussed about the tenses for 7th standard. Regarding that, we discussed about the three tenses: present tense, past tense, and future tense. So, present tense, past tense, and future tense. Last period we discussed about the present tense and its four subtypes. Now this period we discuss about the past tense. Last period we take a one verb work. So there is a little bit change in a past tense. We take a one new verb write. We take a write because having a little easiness. So that's why we take a write, because when you're discussing about the work, work, write, wrote, written. So that's why sir take write as a verb. So we discuss first subtypes of past tense, simple past tense. Simple past tense, and formula of the simple past tense is s plus v2, means second form of the verb, and this is the easy everyone write a v2. So example is that Sneha wrote a letter. Past tense v2, past tense of write wrote, so that's why Sneha wrote a letter. This is the great example for the simple past tense. Now we take second past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. This past continuous tense, this continue word having another word progressive tense. So this continue we can say that this is a progressive also. The formula of the past continuous tense is subject plus was were plus VING, means fourth form of the verb. So Sneha was writing a letter. This is the example of the past continuous tense. Okay, do you understand? Now we take third past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. In the perfect tense, having a one formula subject plus had plus V3, third form of the verb. So that's why V3. So Sneha had, third form of the right, written. Sneha had written a letter. So this is the example of past perfect tense. So students, do you understand? Okay. Now last and fourth one is that past continue perfect tense. So when you discussing about the present tense, they're also having the four subtypes. Past tense also having the four subtypes, and last is the same. But this is the present tense and this is the past tense. Only you have to cautions there. Now last is past continue perfect tense. Formula of this past continue perfect tense is subject plus had been plus VING, means fourth form of the verb. So example of the past continue perfect tense is Sneha had been writing a letter from since morning. Sneha had been writing a letter since morning. This is the good example for the past continue perfect tense. Actually, in last period we discussed about the present tense and four subtypes, and in this period we discuss about the past tense and four subtypes. I hope you understand properly. because when I completed these tenses, I give you homework. So till that you make a two sentences of each. Okay, thank you.